C-section is not just a delivery, it is a carefully planned life-saving surgery. A C-section is a surgical birth where the baby is delivered through the abdomen and uterus. It is done when normal delivery may be risky for mother or baby. Before surgery, the abdomen is cleaned and prepared under sterile conditions. A small horizontal incision is made on the lower abdomen. Muscles are gently separated, not cut. Now the uterus is carefully opened. The baby's head is gently delivered first. The baby is fully delivered and separated from the mother. After birth, the placenta is carefully removed. The uterus is stitched layer by layer. Abdominal layers are closed carefully to support healing. Recovery takes time, care, and proper medical guidance. C-section is surgery, but it brings new life. Subscribe and watch our full detailed videos.